Hey everyone, ready to talk some serious tech.
Let's do it.
Today we're diving into SAP's latest release, and wow,
Yeah.
they really went all in on AI.
It's pretty remarkable how they're making AI practical,
Okay, so like
for everyday business.
less buzzwords, more show me the magic.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
not just talk anymore. This
Yeah.
is like the real deal.
Yeah.
Like if you look at the S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition,
Okay.
this is a complete overhaul. Like they really designed this for the intelligent enterprise.
So for those of us who don't speak fluent SAP,
Sure.
what does that actually mean for like,
It means AI is everywhere.
Okay.
Like they're integrating it into every part of their software.
wow.
And they're starting with those like core processes, the ones that keep businesses humming.
Yeah.
It's like this hidden layer of intelligence,
Okay.
just working behind the scenes to make your life easier.
So it's like having a team of like invisible AI assistants
Yeah.
handling all the tedious stuff for you. Okay, I can get behind that.
Yeah.
So give me an example. Where are we seeing this AI magic in action?
So let's say you're on a sales team.
Okay.
New order comes in. Suddenly you're coordinating with like
Different departments.
different departments, managing inventory,
Right.
making sure everything ships on time.
Yeah, it can be a logistical nightmare.
Exactly. And that's where AI steps in.
Okay.
They have this new thing called AI-assisted sales order fulfillment.
Oh.
So the system analyzes incoming orders, but it does it in real time.
Oh,
And it takes into account your stock levels, delivery timelines, even things like potential transportation problems.
Hold on. It can predict transportation problems
Yeah.
before they happen.
That's the power of data.
What is this sorcery?
The AI engine is looking at massive amounts of information,
Okay.
like huge amounts of data, searching for patterns and anomalies.
Wow.
And if it detects an issue, it flags it right away.
So you can fix it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can proactively find solutions before it becomes a major problem.
Wow. That's like having a crystal ball for your supply chain.
It is.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not just about predicting problems, is it?
No, not at all. Remember all that paperwork?
Oh.
Especially with international shipments? All those cargo documents?
Oh, you mean the stacks of forms that make you want to pull your hair out?
Exactly.
Yeah.
A million. So SAP has automated that entire process.
Wow.
They have this new inbound cargo document creation feature.
Okay.
The AI handles everything,
Right.
filling out forms, making sure everything's compliant with regulations.
Okay, so no more manual data entry.
No.
No more risking like costly errors.
Exactly.
Just smooth sailing from order to delivery.
That's the idea.
That's huge.
Oh.
SAP is on a roll with this release.
Right.
It's like they're automating all the tasks that make us want to pull our hair out.
That's the goal. Make life easier no matter what you do.
Okay, so if I'm not in sales, how's SAP's AI magic going to help me?
Okay, so let's say you're a project manager. You're juggling deadlines, resources, stakeholders.
Oh, yeah. Stressful.
Fun.
More like herding cats.
Ah. Oh.
But the cats are deadlines and they're all trying to climb the same tree at the same time.
SAP has your back.
Okay.
This new digital assistant, Joule.
Joule.
It's going to be your co-pilot in all that chaos.
Okay.
Basically, it's like this central hub
Right.
for all your project stuff.
Right.
You can ask Joule questions, assign tasks. You can even
Okay.
get insights into potential problems before they derail everything.
So it's like having a super organized, always on top of it assistant,
Exactly.
but like without the awkward office birthday party.
Exactly. And it's not just for product management.
Okay.
Joule can help with master data governance.
Master data what now?
Yeah, it's a mouthful, Rick, but it's important.
Okay, for those of us who don't live and breathe data, why is master data governance so important?
So imagine you're a CEO
Okay.
and you're looking at two different sales reports.
Okay.
One says your profits are up, the other says they're down. Uh-oh.
Which one do you trust?
Yeah, that's a recipe for disaster.
Exactly. Master data governance makes sure everyone's on the same page.
Yeah.
Same accurate data no matter what.
Got it.
And guess what?
What?
Joule helps with that too.
No way.
Yeah, it can like summarize changes in plain English.
So you don't have to be a data scientist to understand it.
Exactly.
Okay, so Joule is like that one person in the meeting who can explain the really complicated stuff
Yes.
in a way that makes sense.
Exactly.
We all need a Joule in our lives.
Absolutely. But even beyond Joule,
Yeah.
this release has other cool stuff.
Okay, spill a tea. What else did SAP cook up?
Remember those contract nightmares we were talking about?
Oh, yeah, the spreadsheets?
Yeah, SAP heard our cries for help.
They did.
Yeah, they delivered big time.
Okay, tell me more.
They have this new feature. It's going to make procurement teams so happy.
You're telling me there's hope for escaping contract comparison hell?
You got it.
Tell me everything.
So you can say bye-bye to those spreadsheets. Hallelujah.
They have this sleek new version comparison tool.
Okay.
You can compare different versions side by side, see the differences. It's so clear.
And this works for like any contract.
Any contract.
That's a game changer.
Right.
Especially for industries with like really complex contracts.
Yeah.
Like legal or even something like Hollywood.
Exactly.
It's like SAP looked into the future and said, hold my beer, we can do better.
Right.
We've gone from AI preventing shipping nightmares to like ending contract comparison headaches. What's next? Well, robots making us coffee.
Oh, I can't promise you a robotic barista just yet.
Okay.
But how about AI that predicts equipment failures?
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
It's real.
Tell me more.
So they've embedded AI into their maintenance module.
Okay.
And it's a game changer.
Okay.
The system analyzes tons of data from your equipment.
Okay.
Performance metrics, historical records, even things like environmental factors.
Wow.
And it can predict when a piece of equipment is likely to break down.
So instead of waiting for something to break, which, let's be honest, always seems to happen at the worst possible time.
Yeah.
You can just like fix it beforehand.
Proactive maintenance.
Wow.
Avoid those costly downtimes.
That's incredible. That's the power of AI.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about how AI is changing businesses, but for someone listening who's maybe thinking, okay, this is cool, but I'm not a CEO or data scientist, how does this impact me?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
And it's important to remember that even if you're not like hands-on with these technologies, they're still changing things.
Right.
They're shaping the world around us.
It's like you don't need to know how to build a car to drive one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
AI is everywhere.
Yeah.
It's in our work life, our personal lives.
Right.
And understanding even just the basics.
Yeah.
It's important for everyone.
It's like the future is already here.
It is.
So whether you're in sales, marketing, finance, whatever.
Yeah.
Even if you're just starting out.
Being aware of these changes,
Yeah.
that's what matters.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I think that about wraps up our deep dive into SAP's latest release.
Yeah.
It's clear that AI is not just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's like,
It's here.
it's here.
And it's powerful.
It's changing how businesses work.
And we're just getting started.
And we are just getting started. That's the crazy part. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember the future is closer than you think.
See you next time.